Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video I'm going to talk about the new Nothing update released for the Nothing Phone 1. So as you can see here, the new update is the Nothing OS 1.1.6. As you can see, this is the changelog and the update size is about the 62 MB. So in this video I will be showing you the section wise changes that will be happening to the Nothing Phone 1 with this latest update. So let me first download the update and install it. So you can check the time near the camera cutout so that you can know how much time it took for installing the update. So I am speeding up this part for you. So currently this update is only rolling out for the Indian users, so the users outside of India need to wait for a little bit more. So finally the update has been installed and it took almost 15 minutes to install this latest update. As you can see now, the system is up to date. So this is just a normal update instead of security update, as we will be getting the security updates bi-monthly. So let me go to settings and show you that I am on latest update now. So let us go to system update, and as you can see the system is up to date. So now let's start with the new features. So first thing is the Nothing Phone 1 now supports the Google AR code. Actually it is supporting from the past 2 weeks and now they have included in the changelog. And if you want to know more about the AR core, I will keep the link in the description. You can watch from what you can do with this AR core. And now after this they have mentioned about the Geo 5G for the Indian users, which is already rolled out in the 1.1.5 update, and they have again included in this new features changelog. So after this 5G update, let's see what are the new camera updates. So as you can see, they say sharper videos with improved stability and recording light indicator is now always on by default. So let's check them now. So here are the full HD videos recorded before and after the update in the Nothing Phone 1. So you can see the videos here and decide whether it has been improved or not. So the video stability and sharpness seem to be improved with the latest update. As you can see here, I am also zooming the video so that you can see how the details are in the video, and I think they have improved the stability and the sharpness with this latest update. Now coming to the improvements, the first thing they mentioned is regarding the launcher experience. As you can see, the launcher is more smooth now, even the animations, everything, it's like very smooth with the latest update. Now after the launcher improvement, they have mentioned about the battery stats. Until now the battery stats are broken, they show the wrong screen on time, and even the battery graph is not correct. The actual screen on time and the screen on time which shows in the battery stats is wrong. But with this update they seem to be fixed that, and I have verified using the phone with this update, and I can say that they have improved the accuracy of the battery stats. After the battery stats, they have mentioned about the HDR content where they have increased the maximum brightness. So let me see that also. So here I am playing a 4K video, which is HDR video on YouTube. As per company, the company claims that they have reduced the brightness to 700 nits with the 1.1.2 update, and I can say that with that amount of brightness we can't use the phone in the direct sunlight. So let us see whether you can watch at least HDR videos in sunlight. So currently I kept my phone in the direct sunlight, so I will be tilting my phone towards the sunlight so that you can see whether we can see the videos directly in the sunlight or not. So comment down below what you felt with this update. To be frank, I really didn't felt any kind of change in the brightness level with this update. I didn't observe any kind of change with this update in the brightness. Earlier during the launch also they said that max brightness is 1200 nits. But after the first 2 sales they changed it to 700 nits. So now coming to the next change, they have said that they have updated the flip to Glyph animation. As you can see earlier it is used to blink 2 times, but now the animation is like very cool. This new animation is very cool, like it's going from bottom to the top. And after that is the Glyph charging light where they have synced now to the sound effect. So to be frank, I didn't felt any change. It is same like the before. Now regarding the NFC sound effect, I didn't test NFC, so I can't say much about that. And regarding the general bug fixes, there are still some bugs where some apps are still in the 60 FPS like the before update. They mention general bug fixes, but still there are bugs which are present in the older updates are not fixed. The battery life seems to be improved for me, so comment down below what you felt after using the Nothing Phone 1 with this latest 1.1.6 update. Click on the like button if you want me to continue regarding the Nothing Phone 1 updates. Thank you for watching this video guys, and subscribe.